Help me pack for Melbourne. So for the plane, I've worn my comfiest jeans, cashmere jumper, a scarf, camel coat. It's a July case. I love it because it's got a built-in charger. So my phone's always dying. I always, you know the bulky side of the case where the handle is? I always pack my bulky, heavy items starting from the bottom, runners, toiletries bag, and that's because the other side can be really squished down. So I've got my heels for tonight, I've got a portable light for filming, hot airbrush, keeping my aerosols outside of my toiletries bag so that when I go through the scan, it's really easier. Makeup bag, wallet, Kindle, jewellery roll, mini hairbrush, hand sanitizer, and my little pack of chargers with my AirPods, a cashmere comb in case I have a spare minute to comb my cashmere. I know, I'm a nerd. Beautiful outfit for tonight. I fold that and put that at the bottom because I want it to remain flat. This beautiful Bianca Spender corset top and pants. Pajamas in the gaps that it doesn't fill, so everything is level. I always pack my underwear in a separate bag to keep it separate so I can find it quickly. Got my clutch bag for tonight. Good to go. See you later.